The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are finally here. And if these reports are accurate, Apple is preparing one of the biggest iPhone upgrades in years. From a powerful new A20 Pro chip built on a cutting-edge 2nm process to a smaller, dynamic island with under-display Face ID, major camera improvements, and full satellite internet support, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could redefine what a flagship smartphone looks like in 2026. Let's break down everything we know so far about the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. First, the launch timeline. Multiple sources suggest Apple is planning a major shift in its traditional release strategy. Instead of launching the entire lineup together, Apple is expected to release only the premium models, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and possibly a foldable iPhone, in September 2026. The standard iPhone 18 models may be delayed until spring 2027. This staggered release would allow Apple to focus the spotlight entirely on its high-end Pro devices during the holiday season. If true, every iPhone launching in September 2026 could start at $999 or higher, making it Apple's most premium-focused fall event ever. Now let's talk design. At first glance, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max may look similar to the iPhone 17 Pro models. Display sizes are expected to remain at 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. The triple camera system with the raised plateau design is also likely to stay. However, the biggest visual change could be a smaller dynamic island. Apple is reportedly moving some Face ID components under the display using advanced micro-transparent glass technology. This could shrink the pill-shaped cutout significantly, giving users more usable screen space and a cleaner look. Some reports even suggest that the infrared sensor will sit beneath the display, while the front camera remains in a smaller centered cutout. This would mark the first major redesign of the dynamic island since its debut on the iPhone 14 Pro. In terms of colors, leaks point to a brand new dark cherry finish replacing previous bold options. Other rumored color options include light blue, dark gray, and silver. Interestingly, black may once again be missing from the Pro lineup. Dark cherry, in particular, is expected to be the standout premium shade for 2026. Now let's move to performance, and this is where things get exciting. The iPhone 18 Pro models are expected to feature the A20 Pro chip, built using TSMC's advanced 2nm manufacturing process. This is a major leap forward in smartphone silicon technology. Compared to the previous generation, the A20 Pro could deliver up to 15% faster performance and up to 30% better power efficiency. The new chip may also use advanced wafer-level multi-chip module packaging, integrating RAM directly into the processor for better memory bandwidth and lower latency. This could significantly boost AI processing, gaming performance, and professional video editing capabilities on the device. If Apple introduces enhanced performance cores similar to its M-series chips, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become the most powerful smartphone Apple has ever made. Now let's talk cameras, one of the biggest rumored upgrades. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may introduce a variable aperture system on its 48-megapixel main camera. This would allow mechanical control over how much light enters the lens, something typically reserved for professional DSLR and mirrorless cameras. Users could manually adjust depth of field and improve low-light photography in ways never before possible on an iPhone. Improved telephoto performance is also expected, potentially enhancing optical zoom and low-light clarity. On the front, the selfie camera may jump from 18 megapixels to 24 megapixels. This means sharper video calls, improved low-light selfies, and better content creation performance for influencers and creators. There are also rumors of a new advanced stacked camera sensor that could reduce image noise, improve dynamic range, and increase overall responsiveness. If these upgrades materialize, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could set a new standard for smartphone photography in 2026. Next up, display improvements. While screen sizes are expected to remain the same, brightness could see a significant jump. Current Pro models already reach impressive HDR brightness levels, but Apple is reportedly pushing suppliers to achieve even higher peak brightness. This would improve outdoor visibility and HDR content performance dramatically. Connectivity is another major area of change. The iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to debut Apple's second-generation in-house 5G modem, the C2 chip, replacing Qualcomm entirely. This could improve efficiency, network performance, and mmWave support while giving Apple more control over its hardware ecosystem. Even more interesting is the possibility of full satellite internet connectivity. Unlike current, emergency-only satellite features, the iPhone 18 Pro may support broader satellite-based web access. Apple is reportedly working with major satellite providers to expand connectivity beyond emergency messaging. If true, this could mean internet access in remote areas without traditional cellular coverage, a game-changing feature for travelers, adventurers, and rural users. As for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the existing Wi-Fi 7 capable networking chip is likely to remain, meaning ultra-fast wireless performance will continue. Finally, pricing. So far, there are no strong rumors suggesting a major price increase for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. If Apple maintains current pricing, the Pro could start around $1,999 and the Pro Max around $1,199. However, with the introduction of a foldable iPhone potentially priced at $19,999 or more, the Pro models may appear relatively more accessible within Apple's premium lineup. 2. Summarize. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks point to a September 2026 launch focused entirely on premium devices, a smaller dynamic island with under-display Face ID components, a powerful A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process up to 30% better efficiency and improved AI performance variable. Aperture camera technology on the Pro Max, a 24MP, upgraded front-facing camera, brighter displays with improved HDR performance, Apple's new C2 in-house 5G modem, expanded satellite internet connectivity, new dark cherry color option. If even half of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro series could represent one of the most meaningful iPhone upgrades in recent years. Stay tuned, because as more iPhone 18 Pro leaks surface, we'll get a clearer picture of whether Apple is truly preparing its most advanced smartphone yet.